Alright, to continue on our previous discussion on expected return for a portfolio. So this is the formula being given earlier on. Okay, and then we already calculated the alpha for portfolio and also beta for portfolio. So in order for us to get the expected return of it, is equivalent to alpha of portfolio plus beta of portfolio. So therefore 1.25, the amount that we already got earlier on, and also 1.025. So you will get the figure. So the figure that you will get is 6.375%. So this is just for your expected return. Next, we're going to calculate on the risk of the portfolio. For risk of portfolio, alright, the formula would be, so this is variance of portfolio, beta of the portfolio plus or multiply with the variance on market plus residuals variance of portfolio. Alright, so beta power of 2 of portfolio multiply with the variance on market plus residual variance for the portfolio. Alright, so for beta, you already got the value from the earlier calculation. Alright, so you just make it as a power of 2. The variance of market, you already got the the questions already give it to you. And last but not least will be the residual variance. So in order for you to get the residual variance on the portfolio, would be the summations of weightage of each of the asset, power of 2, and multiply with residual variance of that particular asset. So again, to recap, in order for you to search for variance of portfolio, would be whatever beta for the portfolio itself by the power of 2 multiply with the variance on market plus residual variance of portfolio. So first thing first, search for the what is the value for the variance of portfolio. Alright, so again, the value for residual variance for portfolio will be the summations of weightage of that particular asset, power of 2, multiply with residual variance of that particular asset. If you extend the formula, alright, so what you'll get based on, again, it's still based on our previous example, yeah, alright, so weightage, we have 4 assets altogether. Okay, so weightage of J multiply with, this is residual variance, right? So look at the residual variance here, value. This is power of 2, residual variance of J plus weightage of K, power of 2, multiply with residual variance of K plus weightage of L, power of 2, residual variance of L, plus last but not least, our last asset would be M. So based on the formula that you have constructed, you just plug in the number. So weightage for each of the asset which have been equally divided is 0.25. So weightage for G is 0.25, and this is power of 2. Then multiply with residual variance of G. So look at the residual variance of G. It's given to you 6 plus 0.25 power of 2 for K, and residual variance would be 10, plus 0.25 for L, power of 2, and the residual variance for L is 8, plus 0.25 power of 2, residual variance for M would be 4. Right? So sum up everything, you can get your residual variance for the portfolio itself, and you will get this part of the calculation. So last but not least, to proceed with our calculations on variance, alright, from this formula, okay, so variance on portfolio would be beta of the portfolio. So the beta we already got from our earlier calculation, which is 1.025, power of 2. Then our variance on market already given in the questions, 6, but this is variance, so you need to add the power of 2 there, plus residual variance of portfolio, it's 1.75. So altogether you will get an answer of 39.57. However, this is a variance, therefore you need to calculate for the standard deviation of portfolio. So therefore, squaring, and you will get the final answer of 6.29%. Alright, so that's all on the calculations of risk and return based on single index model. I'll give it to you and share with you some questions for you to try at home, and then we may discuss the answers later. Thank you.